Hey guys, RR Expert here. Okay, so I was not supposed to enter with 3, but again, don't look at the contracts. I'm gonna go long here. And I'm just doing 2 things. So looking at the 15-minute candle open, and also looking at this area here. I just want to show you simple things, instead of overcomplicating it with some kind of science project, Again, this is just a one-on-one. It's not about the amount. I don't know why I might enter with 3. So if you want to learn this stuff, what we're doing, you can join the Discord and ask us anything. It's all for free. At least I'm trying to find time, to teach for free. I'm trying to do my best to do one every month, once a week, sorry. And just gonna grab this. So let's see if we can do another one. So what we're doing is we try to keep it simple, instead of overcomplicating it with things that have absolutely nothing to do with trading. So again, a strong pullback down. Let's see if we can. Again, don't look at the prices. So you're only like risking 20 or 30, because this is what they try to make you believe on social media, but we don't do this stuff. So lots of volume today. Look, you don't need an indicator. You can just use the price that you're seeing here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna close it. It takes too long. You've been watching my videos. I want the move to happen almost immediately. Yeah. This is how you train yourself by doing this. So we did 2 trades. Let's look for the next one. I always advise you to do just only 1 trade a day. Yeah. But it's. I mean, I'm not gonna convince you by just doing 1 lucky trade and upload it. So be very careful of strategies. People saying should do this, do that. Well, we are not doing that. We're not doing that. We just keep it simple. We try to scalp something. Again, I want to emphasize: don't look at the money. Yeah, it's not about the money. What we do here, we just want to protect you guys and make sure that you understand what trading really is about, so that you can make a decision. Whether you want to waste your time on this or not. It's certainly not drawing trend lines here or here, or saying there's a gap here and that's why it's going up. It has nothing to do with those things. Okay, so let's see. And so the logic in what you should be looking for is always yeah. Sorry, let me write this down. Yeah, so you do want to have some a small retracement, yeah, and then you look for the other way around. So this one might be a difficult one, yeah. So if you would be going short here, yeah, you might think, oh, I'm going to enter here, but you're going to develop this, yeah. So what is this impulsive move? What is the pullback? It's much easier for me to explain it to you if you're in the Discord, when we're doing it live. So let's see if the price does want to go down and then up, yeah? Then we're going to enter. If it doesn't do that, we're not going to enter, and then there is no problem. But, I always talk about criteria, yeah? If there are no criteria or no confluence, we're not doing anything. Yeah? Yeah, I'm going to close this because sometimes, so this is difficult for me, when I'm looking at the charts and explaining stuff. If I'm going to enter here when there is no impulsive move, yeah, so when I'm not seeing this, then I have to put the stop loss here because the price can still do this and then suddenly do this, yeah. But again, because of experience, I might think it's going to go up here just simply because of what I'm seeing here. So these clustered candles, I talk a lot about this if you've been watching my previous videos. So the price does go up, but I'm not going to cry about it and say, shit, I should have stayed in. But again, this is my own... no, it's not even my fault. I won't say it's my fault, no. These things happen, I'd rather close the trade than it stopping me out, So now we are seeing this up move. Again, in these sensitive areas here. And again, this is how I trade. I'm just giving myself breathing space. Often, when it comes close to my stop loss, I'm just going to collapse the trade because obviously you don't want to have these big losses. Yeah? We have someone in the Discord who's really good with risk management in TradingView. Again, when I was trading, I was not trading on TradingView. I was trading in Quant Tower. It has really good features, Okay, so let's look for the next one. I'm going to try to do my best to do a good trade because, again, when I'm talking and looking at the charts, it's really hard for me to get a good entry. It comes again in this area here. So it's not necessarily now what ICT is going to say, like it took a buy set and then going to, you don't know because it might come back here again and then again give this impulse and then go up. So you don't know. You have to wait for confirmation. Also to keep in mind, because some people might convince you of trading only in a trending market. Some people are really good in these kinds of markets, It's not necessarily a bad thing. So again, I'm waiting for this up move, and let's see if it's going to give me a down move. But the chance is going to be lower because of what I'm saying here. So let's just draw a line here. So this area that we're seeing here. But again, some people like to trade in these environments, Everyone has their own style. And you could have done a one-on-one in here, even if it doesn't attack this. You could still do a one-on-one here. On this sensitive area, so where we're seeing the price going up. Maybe you would have stopped out one time. You've been watching my other videos. When I want to go long, I get stopped out. I just re-enter. Exactly on the same levels. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can do a short here. Again, I'm just waiting for confirmation, and my confirmation is these kinds of candles. And again, I'm just looking for sensitive areas. For example, you could say, what we're seeing here, and just scalping something small. And I'm not interested in these big moves. And there are people who swear by it. In my experience of trading, I've never seen something like that, like these big runners. I mean, I'm not saying I've never had those, but they're just frustrating, not sometimes, but most of the times they don't go to your target. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. I have a video where I'm not talking. I put some music under it. You can watch that video, man. When you're concentrated on the only on trading, that's where growth happens. So let's enter again. Let's see. And again, I'm not saying, oh, I entered here I should let it run. I'm not doing any of that. Just grab what you can grab and journal for yourself, you know, because only through journaling, you're going to understand what you're doing. If you're not journaling, you're just going to watch videos on YouTube, you know, all this nonsense. And so, guys, I don't want to make this video long, you know, join the Discord if you want to learn some of these things. Again, what we're doing is not saying you're going to be a millionaire. What we're saying is we try to explain to you some things about trading. Again, we don't know everything, but definitely are we not those gurus and scammers on YouTube who are manipulating you into following a course, you know, and taking your money. What we do here is everything's for free, by the way. So join us and have a good weekend and see you Monday, hopefully, man. Bye-bye.